welcome to Leemah's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to peel beans without using your hands. I know a lot of people that get discouraged from making moi moi or akara from scratch because of the stressful peeling process. So don't worry, I got you guys covered. When I learned this method, trust me, I never went back. You can literally peel your beans in no time. I'm going to be sharing this easy hack, so if you would like to see it, stay tuned. And I'll also like to say you should turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'm starting off by pouring some water in a bowl containing some beans, and then I'll set it aside for about 3 to 5 minutes so the skin gets a bit tender. With this method, there's literally no need to soak your beans for a long amount of time because remember, I'm not using my hands, so I don't need the skin of the beans to get really soft. So you need a food processor, and you would need the dough hook and not the chopper hook because the chopper hook will crush the beans. So remember, use the dough hook. Put the beans in the food processor and then pour some water in, just enough to cover the beans. Then run the food processor for about 3 minutes. This will allow the beans to split so the skin comes off easily. Stop the food processor and check if most of the beans have split. If that's not the case, then run the food processor for about another 1 to 2 minutes. Then transfer the beans to a bowl and cover with water. You need a sieve to drain this so that you can extract the separated skin from the beans. Repeat this process until all the separated skin is removed from the beans. I had to do this about 5 times, so it just depends on the quantity of beans you use. So all the skin has now come off from the beans, and you can either store it in the freezer to use later or you can use it right away. This is a very easy method and I hope you guys give it a try. I like to make cooking very easy for myself, which is why I simplify very tedious processes. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other method to peel your beans or if you've tried something similar to this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this and you want to see more of it. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!